Hello, and welcome to episode number 54 of Satisfactory. So, we got the copper here. So what we're going to have to do is I'm going to have to figure out how to do this, first of all. Change this. There we go. We're actually going to get rid of this and get rid of this. And we're going to go here with walls, and we're going to get a conveyor wall port number 1. There. Now, my question is, can trains... Come on. Transport. Can I put a train here, which faces that way, and then a train there that faces that way? No. Come on, don't die. And then a train that faces... Can I do this? And do those two guys work in tandem? So, one second here. We're just going to go to here. Ooh, nope, there's more radiation there. Lots of radiation around here. Please get away from the radiation. Oh well. And if I build a train station here, I would like to build it attached to this. There we go, that works. Okay, if I go from here to here, and if I were to... I need to extend this out more, obviously. This can always get shrunk down. I just need enough space for testing. And if I put another terminal here, come on. Okay. Also, did I never scan? Okay, there we go. I do need power, that's right. The wire is too long. The wire is still too long. Okay, so now I'm hoping that if we go open train menu and we're going to edit the timetable and we're going to say go to there, then go to there. And we save the changes, we turn on self-drive. The next stop is unreachable. You say. Okay, so there's that. I might have put this in the wrong direction, so we're going to fix that mistake maybe. I want to go transportation. It does need to be facing in that direction. There we go. And if we change this, if we edit the timetable and add this place and save the changes, and it works. Okay, so it does go back and forth, and that's what I wanted to see, and I'm glad that that works. So it literally just should come into the station, and it should go the other direction. It's not the best system, but it works. Okay, so we need the train terminal, and then we need 2 freight platforms. And then we need another then I need an empty platform. Where are we? Empty platform. Awesome. We're going to go here, and we're going to add an entire wall section there. Perfect. And I would like to build something here at the end to signify that, hey, the track stops. Not just have this. But they don't have any buffers. Kind of annoying. We go walls. If we go with a basic wall, and put it there, I'm hoping there's not enough length, is there? There we go. Yep, one over. Yep. So this signifies the end of my track, kind of. It's a little bit better than just having a dead end. There's a little bit of extra track. Perfect. And I do realize I didn't actually need that centerpiece here. We're just going to go like this. Perfect. I need to remember where. It's over here. It's a bit annoying. That's okay. Actually, I don't want 2 platforms. I wanted that, and then this guy needs to be an empty as well. And this is going to be my copper station. Am I draining my battery? I am draining my battery. That's not good. We're going to change this guy to copper ingot. There we go. We need to do something about our power consumption. And I don't have enough summer sleeps. I was hoping I could just build a power augmenter. Do I have any ways to change my power? Got storages. Got the light control pen. I need to unlock the circuit breakers. sooner rather than later too. I need to fix this problem actually soon. Or no, there's the coal mine down there. So I guess we're just going to take a quick little detour here. Ow. Awesome. So these guys are we're constantly flowing coal. And not quite fully constantly. It's a little bit unperfect. I actually need to double check how much. So you're a level 3. You're a level 3. You're level 3. Level 3, level 3, level 3. You know what? We're just gonna... I know we don't need to do that, but we can. Yeah, I knew we had 3 of these guys not running. And I didn't really want to do this, but what we're going to do is we're just going to... Perfect. So we got, yeah, all the pipes are coming off this main line. These guys don't have water, obviously. How are we doing on water? We got a flow rate of, it's periodic, but it's pretty much maxed with a maximum of 600. And these guys have a maximum of 120. So I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 120 by 6 is 720. I can add another one of these. Oh, wait, no, I can't. The maximum is 600, and I'm producing 720. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab stackable pipelines. And we're going to grab this one here. And we're going to grab this guy here. This guy's going to go here. There we go. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to take a valve. And we're going to put that there. And we're going to put this guy, I need one of these guys here quickly. Actually, we're going to line this down here. No, sorry, I'm just using my brain, or lack thereof. Really? You're not turning in the dimension I wish you would be. Did not want to do that. Try that again. And what this is going to do is it's going to provide... we don't actually want this to be fully 600. We want this to have a limit of like... Did I not upgrade this host? You're good. You're not. That's the problem. Mach 2. Nope. I would like Mach 2 pipes. Pipeline Mach 2. You. And you. And you. There we go. We're going to limit this. The maximum is that I'm producing is 720, and I can hold that. So I would like a 120 limit. Perfect. We're also then going to put a valve there. This guy is going to be set to max. I am missing rotors. Special bench. This guy can go right about anywhere. Rotors, 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 rotors. Not many, but I can make some. Can I jump up on this, please? Thank you. Okay, we got that, and then I need one of these guys, and if we just go like this, grab Mach 2 pipes, and I only need Mach 1 pipes for that. What we're going to do here is I'm going to actually need one of these. That works there. Grab this, go from there to there. Actually, you know what? Sorry. There we go. Delete that, delete that. And we're going to go on to, there we go. I want to change build mode. We're going to go like this. Perfect. Number 2. There we go. We got water pumping. Also, another thing that I want to do is I want to grab a valve. Nope. Where's my valve? Ugh. Valve. And I want this going this way with a maximum of 600. So what that's going to do is it's going to prevent these 4 from flowing into that top system. And then those 2 there can alternate between which system they fill. And then that one over there is guaranteed for this top system. Awesome. So, there we go. One second. The first system has 600 capacity. I need to figure out how many pipelines that can fuel, or how many of these things it can fuel. 600 divided by 50 is 12. So I got one full side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I should have 4 extra pipelines I can incorporate. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. This guy has no connection. Holy crap. There we go. So now I'm going to be a bit smarter about this design. Oh yeah, that's why I did it the way I did it. Right. So we're going to grab pipeline Mach 2. And number 4. There we go. And we're just going to go to here. And we're going to go here. I need one of these. One of these. Oh, and one of those. There we go. Pipeline junctions, please. And where's this one? Yep. There we go. Perfect. Now my question is, do I have water in here? And I do. I have no way out. So I do know it says 10 meters of head lift, but from there to there is 4.8, like that seems higher. So we're still gonna play it safe. I need rotors. And I can't build any more. And I'm missing the screws I need to build that. That's funny, but annoying and infuriating at the same time. Also, is this a Mach 2? Oh no, it is a Mach 1. Okay. How are we doing? We're charging. That's a red light. Why are you red? Not enough water. I figured I'd be short on water, so we're gonna have to go grab rotors. I was hoping to get the bauxite done, but I guess there's some emergency power getting dealt with. Now rotors should be getting delivered to here as well. I should have a train with rotors coming in. It's just a surplus amount that gets fed into here, but it still should be an amount. Come on. See, I got stators and motors. So I guess here's gonna be my rotors. Rotors. Okay, and we go here and we select icon, parts, rotor, motors, rotors. Rotor. Yeah. Paste the settings. That's great. Copy those settings. There we go. Paste the settings. Select icon. Parts. It's going to be these guys. Paste the settings. Select the icon. Go to parts. Paste. Select. And type. Rotor. There we go. I don't have many coming in, so that's fine. I mean, we do have, this thing's just producing motors. Or this thing's just delivering motors. If I don't need a versatile framework, it kind of does, or not versatile framework, modular frames, it kind of does nothing. Yeah, no, see, we got rotors. Okay, so we got not a lot in here, that's fine. We just got motors going through here. Does not have a lot of rotors, does it? I need the rotors. Sorry guys, I need them. I got lots of stators too, Jesus. And this is my overflow tank. Pretty much handles just all the stators. Don't know why my rotor production is so cruddy. There's 23, it's not a lot. Lots of screws. And more screws, because I'm also out of screws, that's why I'm also here. Okay, we got enough screws and such. We don't have enough screws coming in. How many screws do you need? You need 100 per minute. Well, a tier 1 conveyor belt just isn't gonna cut it. I missed a section. That's my problem. Because this one was full, right? Yeah, pretty much. Perfect. That should solve that problem. I just need to find the exit. Here it is. So we got a few rotors. Not too many, but not none either. Yeah, this thing produces stators, not rotors. I was hoping it would. that train's way over there. Nope, that's taking me up to the oil. Unfortunately, I don't want that. So we're still... No, we're draining still. Did I completely run out of biofuel? Okay. And we're just gonna go here. I would like to have a... Come on. Perfect, okay. Really? Ta-da. I am out of biofuel and it's annoying. I need to fix that as well. So how much water? You should have pretty much full tanks. Yep, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4. System's running. So I got 4 by 50, right? So I need 200 water in. Right, I need 200 water in. And I've got 100 and how much? About 120, yeah. So I have 120 plus whatever this thing's limited to. 120 again. I'd like to have some extra water, so we will put this guy here. Perfect. So this should help fix with the fluctuations. I mean, I still have some peaking, but I need to double check how much coal I'm using now, actually, against how much I'm producing. We're going to go here, and we're going to go select recipe, and we're going to go for biomass leaves. Thank you. Okay, and we have, I forget how many running, but they each take 15. And how many do we have running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. 240. Conveyor belt 3s can handle 270. That is awesome. So I need to have 240, and I have 120. and another 120, which is perfect. Mach 2 belts, Mach 2 belts, perfect. So there is our power problem solved. And hopefully next episode, we can finish up with the aluminum. Till then, peace out. Bye.